my kingdom, the love of my youth.
Long live my king. May your days be long on earth.
Thank you. You look so beautiful and excited. What's the secret?
My lord, the gods of this land have finally remembered us. I am expecting a child.
Wow! That's great news. The gods be praised. The gods of my ancestors, you have finally put a smile on our faces. Guards, go and tell the Onowu that I demand his presence right here. And you, go and call Okani, my brother. Tell him that I want to see him. My queen, please go and prepare my favorite.
I'm on it.
Oh, good. The gods be praised. Agumba, may the gods be praised once again. Agumba.
Igboegwu nwoke ọma o nwere ihe m ga-akọrọ gị o mere na obere nwa dịka ọba m ije na obenu mberi ụsaka ụsarị ohu ma aga na ọjị iri anụ ejeka m ije na ọka fụka m ife n'ọgaranya jere mba nụ eju akpa kwarị ndị ọ na-enye enu igwe m igwe obi ọma ife ọma ị na-emere anyị na-adị anyị mma anyị si ụbọchị eke ketara m gị ife ọma si ụbọchị orie erina m go ụbọchị nkwa ya bụ agụ nkwa na-ebu mmadụ ebuna m go ụbọchị afọ afọ ịbatara nwa ara m go nwa ụwa m agwụ m ike igwe m
Okwute ana m anụ ka ị na-ekwu na ntị echiro m. Okwute na ị ga-adịle m. Okwute. Okani. I am a happy man today. Igwe, I can feel the happiness in you. Yes, because you are expecting an heir to the throne. Igwe. Oh, no, he's here. Igwe. Oh, no. Igwe. Oh, no. May your days be long. Oh, no, we'll sit. You're welcome, oh, no. Igwe. Oh, no. I am indeed happy because the gods are indeed faithful. Igwe, can you please share this experience with us? Our ears are itching. Of course I will share. Oh no, the gods have finally shown grace and favor to me. I am expecting an heir to my throne. What else do you want to hear? Igwe, let me not jump into conclusions. If I may guess, the queen is expecting, yes, indeed, I am expecting an heir to the throne. The gods have shown me grace. I got the label.
Long live Igboegwu #1.
You're welcome.
Iroko 3. Oko 60.
I greet you, wise one.
The wings that blow the evil wolves in another kingdom. May your days and your reign be long.
Wise one. Edikate Ekwo. Atakata Abuo. What brings you to my palace?
Indeed, it is a beautiful day in another kingdom and your household.
Thank you.
The child in the queen's womb is a great child. A great child indeed. The child she carries in her womb has the 3 stars of Mmumuoma.
But one! Yeah! One!
Tell the queen not to eat the forbidden cola.
She...
Don't question the gods. Agumba. The gods are wise. The gods are wise.
Yes. I heard that. The gods are really wise indeed.
Igwe, did you just hear that? That she bears 3 stars of Mmumuoma.
Yes, I heard that.
Our gods
Our gods be praised.
be praised. Ekuloma be praised.
Praise. She shows grace to whomsoever she wishes to.
Of course.
Igwe!
Well,
Igwe. May the gods be praised.
may the gods be praised.
Igwe, I beg to take my leave.
You come, my brother.
Oh no! The gods of our land, indeed, is so faithful. Ana m anụ ka ị na-ekwu na ntị echiri.
Asị m ụbọchị aka ketara m gị ife ọma sụ ụbọchị orie erina m gị ụbọchị nkwa ya bụ agụ nkwa na-ebu mmadụ ebu na m gụ.
Ma na-eziokwu nwa gwada.
Ụbọchị afọ afọ ịbatara mmara m gụ nwa. Orie m orie m ndori. Orikwe m orie m ndori. Ụwa m ụwa m.
Oluo ka ọ na-elu mbọsị gbulugbulu. Ganataba kene okwute ganataba. Oh no!
Oma,
Yes, Your Majesty.
are the gods not wise? Are the gods not faithful? Is my chi not so extraordinary? Huh?
My queen. You're a kind-hearted queen, full of compassion. So I don't think the gods made a mistake to bless you with a child that has the 3 stars of Mmumuoma.
May the gods be praised.
My beautiful queen, the womb that carries the blessed child. How are you today?
May the gods be praised.
I brought you a roasted meat, peppered the way you will like it.
Thank you for being a wonderful husband to me. And to your brother, the king, thank you for being wonderful to him. Oma.
Yes, Queen.
My queen, won't you have a bite? At least to know if I am still the best cook in an Izoba kingdom. Oma!
No, Oma. Please
Hey,
come
Queen.
back.
Are you sure?
I feel better. Yes,
What just happened?
I can't even explain what happened to me. But I feel better.
Okay.
I feel better. Okane, please, I am very sorry for wasting your effort.
It's all right, it's all right. Wait, see, your health is my concern. Oma, please, take the queen inside. Take her inside.
I'm sorry, Mochi.
How dare you go after my man, Owuka, after the last warning I gave to you? I met him first, so there is nothing you or anyone can do about it. Stop, Olaku! I saw you.
Again, what is it? Oh. What is it?
This is very crucial. Please, we need to see the king. Someone has infused the Mmumuoma powers.
Bring them. Take it easy. What is it? What is it? What is the problem?
Igwe. Olakoye used her power to kill a maiden because of a man. Then she tried to escape. I used my power to bring her down.
Young lady, is it true what they accuse you of?
Your Highness, she took away my love after I aborted a baby for him because he's not yet ready.
I warned her before taking actions. Owuka here is my...
Onwuka, my brother's son?
Your Highness, please don't mind this devilish girl trying to force herself on a man. And pass your judgment. How can you accuse me?
Unka.
Abomination! Igboegwu. Wise one, you're welcome to my palace. Great sacrilege has been committed in an Izoba kingdom. And you must keep to your promise, Igboegwu. Evil shall not dwell in our midst. Wise, Agumba, wise.
Young lady, you know the rules. You must not use your powers to take a life of your own no matter what. That is one offense. Secondly, abomination is a sacrilege in this kingdom against the goddess of aquarium. You are hereby banished from this kingdom. Quiet! Guards, take her out of this land and make sure he crosses to the side of Umoji's forest.
You did it. I didn't ask them to kill themselves, so what of the abortion? Now, Biko, no, I want to rest. Oh, allow me to go and rest, Biko.
Oga, you have to be very, very careful.
Of course, you know I am always careful. Eh? I am on top of my game.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, why you never?
Yeah, that's what yeah.
Nah, nah. Eh?
Thank you.
and his our kingdom banished me because I used my powers on one of the maidens for taking my betrothed away from me. Please help me, I need your help.
Drink. Drink from the cup of life. Drink blood and remain ageless. Drink! Welcome. I am Queen Nchere, the greatest of all witches. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to Umoji Forest. You are now one of us.
Come now.
What happened? Why did you drag me out like that?
I am pregnant. I think you should come and see my parents.
You are pregnant?
Yes.
And you want me to come and see your people? Of course, you know I cannot get married to you with pregnancy. Even my brothers will not even accept it. Yes. I can't marry a pregnant woman now. No. See what we'll do, eh? You will get rid of this pregnancy. Yes. When you get rid of this pregnancy, I cannot come and see your people. I can't get married to you with pregnancy. It is never done.
But what if I get caught? I'll be banished to Umoji.
You have nothing to be worried about. I am the great Onwuka. Okay? Fear not. Just wait. Let me go and mix some herb. Good. Just wait. I am coming. Eh? You see, you will take all of them. Eh? Finish all. It will go in and rumble in your stomach. Then you will go and push it out. You will be free. Then I'll come and see your people. Okay?
Are you sure nothing will happen to me if you are doing this here?
Nothing will happen to you. Oh, you don't trust me? Trust me now. Nothing will happen to you. Just finish all of them and you will be fine.
Okay.
Yes. All. Still remaining. Eh? He's still remaining. Finish all. All. Yes, it will rumble your stomach and you will push it out. Yeah. Yes. How do you feel now? What?
My stomach.
Relax, he's walking. Yes, the house is walking.
Oh! Ah! My stomach! My stomach!
Easy, you will be fine. What now? Sorry. The medicine is working. It's working. Sorry. Huh? Sorry. It's working. What?
Igwe.
On my way coming to this meeting, I saw a lifeless body along the road. When I inquired, it was the body of the daughter of Mba, lying dead. And when I confirmed, they said she took concussion as she was doing abortion.
She tried committing abortion
Yes, and she died after taking the concussion.
in this kingdom.
The body is
Hey! What shall we call this? Guards! Ichemwoye, please take them to the scene. When you get there, take the lifeless body to the evil forest. And whoever that is responsible, if caught, shall be also sent to the forest.
Ike Mmumuoma bekene yezobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma wawo bekene yezobanyo. Ige kwe kalibu anyo yezobanyo. Ige kwe kanchere busi anyo.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh no, we are welcome.
Well, Ike just left to stay with his grandmother in Umudum. Ojugo, my daughter, is fine.
That's so nice. She must be weak and old. Dike will be of very good help to her.
How is my queen and my ears are itching me.
No good there. Send someone to my brother, okay, to get us fresh palm wine. Oh no, soon. soon. Soonest, I mean.
I cannot wait for this. I can't wait.
She will soon put to bed.
My queen. My queen, it's the first level. But the truth is that you are close to your due date. Sooner or later, you will meet the bundle of your joy.
May the gods be praised.
Ise. My queen, all you need now is rest. Take enough rest. My queen, you need to rest, okay? I'm about to take my leave, my queen. My queen.
May the gods protect you.
See.
Okay, what is it? What is it? Now you have to act fast. Yes. The queen's due date is near. Yes. And you overheard her discussing with the midwife. So you just have to make everything fast. Eh? Before things run out of hand. Don't worry. Calm down. I know what to do. I know what to do. You have to do it fast. Yes. Do I trust you? Yes. But make it fast. I have to act fast. You see, I have lost a lot already. I know what to do. Okay. Calm down. Okay, you know what? Come.
some blood.
Long live the ageless queen. Long live the greatest of all witches.
Come, my children. Drink. Drink from the cup of life. Drink blood and remain ageless. Come. powerless brother of Agumba, our rival. Is today not beautiful?
Please, hear me out. I come in peace. I am with you people. My brother the King Agumba, has been the thorn in my flesh. I want him out of the throne, but I cannot do it alone. That is why I'm here, to seek for help.
Fool! And what makes you think we can help you and not kill you instead?
Because if we can kill the king and the pregnant wife, if I become the king, you will all return to Anizoba Kingdom. And Jere will be recognized.
But your brother the king has the 2 stars of Mmumuoma, which makes it very difficult for one to near him.
I will handle it. I will handle it. I will poison his drink with the forbidden cola of Mmumuoma. That will help to weaken him, and you will have your way.
Whoa! You will hear from me. Whoa!
Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazobanyo Ike Mmumuoma wowo biakene Biazobanyo Ige kweki igwe kalibu anyo Biazobanyo Ige kweka nchere busi anyo Biazobanyo Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazobanyo Ike
Long live the king. The king that outshines the darkness. Mmumuoma. The king that is favored by Mmumuoma. Long live my brother. My brother, I brought you your favorite palm wine. That's great. Please sit. Hey, thank you, my king.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my king.
And I can perceive the flavor.
Shows
that it's akumiri.
Akumiri. You're welcome, my brother.
Okane, that's by the way.
Yes.
I am always disturbed. Is it not time you get remarried? As you can see, you are not getting younger anymore. Since the date of your late wife who died during childbirth, you have refused to get married, and I'm worried.
My brother. My brother, King Agumba, you are not only favored by 2 stars of Mmumuoma gods, you are also a seer. How do you know? That is why I am here to tell you that I have found a maiden. Huh? Yes, the right maiden that I want to marry.
Are you telling me the truth?
Hey! Hey! Now you are talking. Please, pour palm wine for me.
Now you come.
Hey!
Pour the palm wine, let's drink. These are the kind of story I want to hear
Let me see that and have my own. Hey!
It's so good.
This is fresh palm wine. The tapa must be commended.
Should I add more for you?
Okay.
No, yeah, that's okay. Good.
Hi. The king. Yes, the wine is good.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
My queen.
My queen! Queen, are you okay? Everyone is wrong.
Hey, go and call the midwife.
No.
Go.
Don't.
Why my queen? I don't want the midwife to come back here. And it will be another first labor. I need to be sure.
Hey,
I need to be sure.
but are you sure you're okay, my queen?
Yes, I am okay. Continue. I went my head.
Okay.
Igwe, you look tired. I think I need to take some rest. Let me help you. Hi, Okane. I need some rest. I will see you later. Okay. Guards, come and help.
Igwe.
No, I think I'm okay.
Igwe, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Igwe, are you sure you're okay? Igwe. Igwe, are you sure you're okay, Igwe?
I'm okay. Dada, I'm okay.
Igwe di fuli irulu. Okani mokem. Agbaje ya agbajo. Banano.
What do I call ya?
Where are you coming from? Is anything the problem? Okay. See, sometimes I begin to ask myself, are we of the same mother? Eh? You are busy walking around with a tall leg in between your legs. Onka, I am busy in the palace fighting for our rights. I know you killed Norma. Yes, I know you killed her. Look, let me tell you something. The king have passed judgment that whoever killed Norma, if found, should be sent to the evil forest. You see? It's what I've been telling you since. Let us kill this man. But you're there doing my brother. Now he wants to send me to the evil forest. Oga, you have to be on alert. It is happening tonight. Look, to your ears only.
Chimekwena kamuweri Mmumuoma, Mmumuoma webuwe nwanne. Police kwena kamuweri Mmumuoma. nwere ike mmumuoma wee gbuwe nwanne.
The great warriors of this
Greetings,
kingdom.
greetings, Onwuka.
Greetings, my people. You see, they said, when you thank someone for the good things he's doing or he has done, he will do more.
Thanks for the compliment.
That is why I have come to appreciate you with this little token. Yeah?
Thanks for the compliment. Thank you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Be careful with this one so that it will not pour.
May God bless you. Guys, what am I missing? They gave us some piece of meat to enjoy ourselves.
Yes, yes. Don't eat alone, no.
Definitely.
Share with others.
Definitely.
All right. I will be on my way.
May the God bless you.
Bless you too.
It's very sweet to have a taste. Why will we give them this drink at this stage? Are you sure you don't know? I don't trust that man in this. But my king trusts him so much. And I won't accept his aid. Are you sure you don't know? Are you not enjoying with us? Where are you going? I beg, let's enjoy our drink.
Guards, wake up. Or can he just left the palace now? I need to trust him. Wake up, guards! Wake up! Okane, you are evil. I will deal with you, Okane. There is danger in the palace. I don't want you to make noise. The king has been killed.
My king, the king.
Left already.
Move it!
Where is the queen, Oma and Okute?
Speak!
We don't know.
Don't want to die. Tell me the truth. Where is the queen and Oma? Where is the queen, Oma and Okute?
She was in the midwife's house. Yes, she was having something like labor.
Labor?
Earlier today, yes.
That's good.
leave no trace. Let's go. Amumu! Amumu! Amumu!
Okani! Is she a level? Okay, I'm coming. Let me come.
Come. You mean? Are they not here?
Who? What happened?
Now,
Okani.
our queen is missing.
Our queen? Wow, how did it happen? Okani, talk to me, tell me. What happened? My queen!
Wait, you know what?
Hey, Chimo, let nothing happen to my queen.
Okay, nothing will happen.
Let nothing happen to her.
Nothing will happen to them.
Okani, tell me what
Go
happened.
inside. Let me go and see the Ono.
Hey.
Let me go and see the Ono and tell him. Tomorrow,
Okani, tell me
I'll
now.
come and see you in the morning. Don't worry. I'll come and see you in the morning. Go.
No, my queen, we need to move, please.
Yes, my queen. Just summon courage so we can move, I beg.
Please, you will not understand. My legs are too weak. Hey, I can't.
Mama, hold this.
Okay.
My queen, just use my strength, okay? Let's go. Mama, let's go.
Okay. Sorry, my queen. Sorry.
You have to continue with the search. If you get them, kill them all. But I don't want any traces. Okay? Let me go back to the village.
You, and you, continue with the search. You will follow me back. My son, do not disappoint me.
Mother, I will not disappoint you. I am Ikuku. I will do as you said.
I trust you.
Let's go.
I want to toilet. Toilet. Hey. Think of our land. Walk of our land. Please help me.
Mama.
I think the baby is coming.
The baby is coming. What do we do? I don't know anything about this. Do you have any idea?
Yes, my late mother was a midwife, and I've seen her deliver so many pregnant women. You have to bring her.
I should bring her there.
Bring her here.
Hey!
Sorry, my queen. Bring her. My queen, you have to lie down very well. You have to lie down. You have to put her head up.
I have no idea, please help me.
Don't worry, just hold her. Just hold her. I'm coming.
Hey!
Sorry, my queen. Sorry. My queen, you have to raise your legs.
Mama, what are you doing?
Don't worry, you will not understand. My queen. Don't worry, you will be fine. Don't worry. Hold her head. He's coming.
What is that?
The water just broke.
I don't understand. What is it?
That is the process of delivery. She will soon deliver. You have to hold her, my queen.
That way. This way.
My queen, you have to push. I can see the baby. Do it! Faster! You're not pushing well. Push. Do it, do it, do it. The baby is there. My queen, your bundle of joy. My queen, it's a baby girl.
Let the gods be praised.
Okute is a girl.
Oma, take this baby.
Okute, the clothes. The clothes.
Picasso, why is this?
My queen. Okute, I think she's losing a lot of blood.
Okute.
My queen.
Oma.
My queen.
You and Okute and the baby should go out of here.
We can't leave you here, my queen.
I'm hungry for
My queen. Mama,
Okay.
you are close to the next town. Take the baby to the next town fast. I will be here with her. I promise the king to protect her with my life. Okay? Be fast. Go, 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 go.
Back. My queen, please.
My queen, be
Oh
strong.
my God, she's losing a lot of blood.
Don't worry, I will take care of her.
Okute, the queen.
Oh my God.
My queen.
Go and take care of the child, Oma.
My queen.
My queen. chibe. Ije mberano awumike ojukwu. Haniremo. No agomo arere nkedizienu ono agukwa mo oi
You can run, but never hide.
Now where is the child? Speak, or you die!
I'd rather die than to betray my king just because of an outcast like you.
No maiden would survive this thick forest without food nor water.
What will we say to Okani and mother?
Get the queen's bead and his cap. We'll tell them we'll kill them all, including the child.
We need to find that maiden.
No maiden would survive in this thick forest without food nor water.
Let us go.
did it go?
We finished them all. And the queen died with the baby in her womb.
Good.
That was a job well done.
Exactly. Okane, I think we need to go back and tell them that we couldn't save the queen and the child. Yes, if Unokute himself died before they will start suspecting us. How about that?
That is a good idea.
Good. You did a great job. I am proud of you.
Nchere said if I take this, I will be ageless.
Yes. I don't want to get old. Not at all. I can't imagine myself getting old. I don't want to old. I want to continue enjoying all the medicine in this land. No. No. I will take it so that I will be ageless. Onka the ageless.
This is really confusing and it breaks my heart. It's unbearable and painful.
King Agumba, with 2 stars of Mmumuoma, gone like that.
The enemy is at work. The gods will fight for them. My only brother is dead. And his pregnant wife missing. Maybe she has been killed too. Everybody have enemies.
People of Anizoba Kingdom, a great calamity has befallen Anizoba Kingdom. All I see is darkness, death everywhere.
The wise one, thank the gods you are here. What did the gods say?
Who killed our king?
Gods are silent. All I see is darkness, doom. More death. I'm a brother kingdom. No. This is serious.
forsaking your children. I'm sorry. Mama, please come and save us. Come and save us. Come and save us, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, let's go.
It's okay. I think he's hungry. I'm sorry. Mama goes off our land. Please come to our aid. Come to our aid. Do not allow us to die in this thick forest. Wait, I'll get you something. Let me look for a coconut or something to give you. I don't know anywhere here. I've not even seen any village. Mama, please help your daughter. Do not forsake your own children, Mama. He's okay, please. Stop crying. I think he's hungry. I'm tired. Mama goes off our land. Please come to our aid. Come to our aid. It's okay. It's okay. Mama, send us some help. Do not forsake your children, Mama. Mama, do not forsake us. Mama, the cause of our land. Why have you forsaken your own? Why do you allow us to suffer this way? Mama, please. Please come to our aid. Please, Mama.
Young lady.
Please do not harm us, please.
No, I won't. Why will I? What are you doing here? All alone. It's dangerous out here with a baby.
Please, you need to help us. We are strangers from another village. Please, you need to help us.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. I have a hut, a little hut where you can stay for today, okay?
Okay.
Come, come, come,
Thank you.
come.
Just lead the way.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Take it easy. Hold on, hold on. This way.
Nine. May the gods bless you.
He say, who are you? Why were you alone in the bush? And where are you from?
My name is Omalicha, but people call me Oma. I am from Ezuoka Kingdom. My husband was murdered, and his younger brother is forcefully asking me to marry him. And I refused. So one night, I overheard him telling some boys to do to me what they did to my husband. Yes. So that same night, I had to take my daughter and run for my life. I stayed in the bush for so many months until you found me.
It's okay.
May the gods bless you.
It's okay. Hey! People are heartless. Child! Don't worry. You can stay here with me.
Oh.
Eh? I'm an orphan. Just like you. You can stay here, okay?
Thank you.
Don't mention.
Thank you very much.
It's okay.
You don't know how much you helped me and my daughter.
It's okay. Oh, hey, the baby is so beautiful.
Yes.
Hi.
Her name is Adugo.
Chai. Okay, please let me take you inside, eh? Come on, come inside.
Mother.
Yes.
Who was doing your cooking when I was not around?
Me, of course. I cook very well.
Don't be offended. Can I ask you a question?
Of course you can.
What happened to your parents?
It's a long and sad story.
Tell me.
Our village, Mmumuoma, forbids magic powers. And my father married his love from a very far kingdom named Anizoba.
Anizoba Kingdom?
It seems you know that place.
Not really. Just that I've heard people talk so much about Anizoba Kingdom.
Oh. It's okay. So my mom has magic powers. One day, she uses her powers to defend herself when some youths attack her, trying to molest her. And she was caught, taken to be executed. My father fought them and killed one of them. That was how both of them were executed, leaving just me.
Wait. So, you mean if someone uses a magic power in this kingdom, Whether you use it for good or for bad, you will be executed.
Immediately, without wasting time.
I am sorry for your loss.
It's okay. At least, I'm not alone anymore. I have you now, your daughter.
Yes.
My elders, since our king died, my beloved brother, the throne has been empty. And our enemies might start to invade our community. I'm saying we must do the needful to prevent invasion.
Okani, we must wait for the directions of the gods.
Oh no, we will wait for nothing. Yes! The same gods that has been silent since. Please say something reasonable.
Wait. Which direction are you talking about? Where we are the gods? When when the king's family were wiped away.
Oh.
Where we are the gods?
But you were spared.
So?
Elders, please. Let's concentrate.
The gods bring praise. Etikata is here.
Greetings, Eye of the Gods.
Greetings.
Eye of the Gods. Have the gods spoken to you?
No. The gods are still silent. And we must wait for the gods' direction before we install the no king.
You lie, guy. I say you lie. Eh? You lie. Every time your God is silent. Your God is silent. Eh? With his throne remain empty.
Okane, be mindful of your ways. The gods are wise. Be wise, Okane. One, let us wait for the gods. Speak. Okane, be wise.
Where are you living?
You see it? Look at it. He's sleeping. And all of you are watching like this. Oh no, look at it. He's sleeping. And you are watching him leave. Oh no.
When I said the gods are...
You must
dead.
wait for the dictates of the gods. We cannot do otherwise.
The gods are wise.
Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazobanyo Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazobanyo Ige kweki igwe kalibu anyo Biazobanyo Ige kweka nchere busi anyo Biazobanyo Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazobanyo Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazobanyo Ige kweki igwe kalibu anyo Biazobanyo Ige kweka nchere busi anyo Biazobanyo Maka n'ife na-eme n'obodo akaligo Alụ na-eme n'obodo akaligo Ọnwụ dị n'obodo akaligo Biazobanyo Nsi na ife na-eme n'obodo akaligo Alụ na-eme n'obodo akaligo Ọnwụ dị n'obodo akaligo
Greetings, Naya.
Is your father too?
Yes, Naya.
Tell him I want to see him. Please, call him.
Okay. Papa.
Huh?
Papa, Naya is here.
Oh no. Okani, the great son of Anizoba.
Okani, your daughter has grown up. Hmm? That means Chike is now a man. Okani. No. What brings you to my abode? You know a toad does not run in the day without a cause. You're right. And a man does not chase a rat while his house on fire. Of course. Oh no, I've come to see you. Oh no, I've come to see you because you are my late brother's friend. And at the same time, the Ono of this kingdom. I want to remind you people that a vacant throne is a risk to a community. You are very right. You are right. But the gods must approve it. If not, we cannot crown the next Igwe. Mbana, no. Mbana. What else are we expecting from the gods? Eh? You all know I am the next to be king of this great kingdom. No doubt about it. But we must do it the right way. I cannot do otherwise if the Ezemo did not give the permission. Oh no.
Okani, why the delay?
That is why I'm here. Idikata's action nowadays is very unusual. We need to take him away.
I will pay him a visit.
If you succeed in doing that, I am going to install you the queen of Anisoba kingdom.
Consider it done.
I beg to take my leave.
Nanye. Now you need to help me. Help me get that girl. I need to pay her back in her own coin for the humiliation she humiliated me the other day. Please.
What happened?
Okay. I saw... Are you not the one I'm calling? Are you deaf?
Onwuka, Onwuka, what is it?
You're asking me what is it? I demand to have you now.
Onwuka, please. I already told you, I am not interested. I'm not interested. Leave me alone. Leave me alone now.
Ojugo, listen. No maiden rejects me or refuses me to have her, but rather all of them want to have and carry my baby. So you will not be an exception. So I want to have you now and here. You thought I am joking?
Come on, come here.
Ojugo! You kicked my balls! Ah! I will deal with you on this land. You? I will deal with you. You are laughing.
Okay. From what you have just told me, do you think that girl will accept to marry you?
Now there is no harm in trying. Please help me. That girl will not go scot-free.
You know something? Okay. Our goal and concern now is that true? Yes. We have to do everything within our reach to secure. That's true. So, calm down. Let's go.
I sense evil. Show your face if you're not afraid of a dictator. Show your face! No evil one. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Your Agumba is not here to save you. You refused to crown my own Okani.
Okani, you say your own? Okani will not be the king of another kingdom. That will be over my dead body.
Yes, together we will rule this kingdom. I guess you're blind, same way your gods are blind.
I will not be alive to see Okani or you rule over this kingdom. Never! Over dead body. Will that happen?
Then you will die!
Oh, evil one!
Why is Edikata not here?
It is obvious that he's happy that Anizoba kingdom has no king. I suspect him. I suspect that man. There must be a reason he's not here. Master Okaro, let's go and see him to know why he's not here. Alueme, Tufiakwa. What is happening?
Gods of our land. What is our crime? Indeed, evil has befallen Anisoba kingdom. This is sacrilege. Is a dying in his shrine?
Eyes have seen my ears. My eyes have seen my ears.
Let's go. Ha!
Ike Mmumuoma obiakene bịa zọba anyị o. Ike Mmumuoma wowo obiakene bịa zọba anyị o. Ị ga-ekwe ka igwe kalịgbu anyị o. Bịa zọba anyị o. Ị ga-ekwe ka nchere gbusi anyị o. Bịa zọba anyị.
Oh no. Onka, what is your problem? Eh? When we are talking about the situations of this community, you are nowhere to be found.
I have so many pressing issues I was attending to.
Issue that is better than what is happening in this community. Eh? Onka, I don't blame you. I've been fighting it alone. Edikata did not come with you?
Oh no. My eyes have seen my ears.
What is the problem?
Hey! Alo! Alo! Ananna me kwene kankwere baji.
Mazokoro, please talk to us. We are running out of patience.
Edikata is dead. He died with his tongue out.
Tell us this is not true.
I can't be joking, Onowu.
Don't say this again. Eh? Hey! Our enemies at work. Our enemies at work. Let me tell you something. See, the vacant of this throne is going to bring more enemies to us. They will think we are weaklings.
I said it. I know. His gods are blind. They don't have eyes to see. Yes. They cannot see nor talk. Just imagine. Ha! Yes? Why are you looking at me like that? If they have solution, they would have provided the solution since.
Today is the day we all have been waiting for. Today is a great day in Anisoba kingdom. A new king shall emerge. Okani.
Oh no.
Where is your queen you told us about? You got married without inviting us. Here comes the queen.
Welcome, my queen.
May the gods forbid that you that brought evil children into this village and you were banished to become the queen of Anisoba kingdom. Never! It will never happen!
Alu! It can never happen! Not when I'm alive!
for you all connived with Agumba to deprive me of my fatherland. I am here to take what rightly belongs to me.
Oh no, will you crown me now? Never. I will not. Ah! 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 Oh no, will you crown me now? Crown me now. As from today, the people of Umoji will no longer be addressed as Umoji people, but people of Umu and Izoba Kingdom. Oh no! Those land given to you by my late brother Igwe Agumba will be divided into 3. 2 we go to Nchere, my queen, where her people will be settled. As from today, I will be addressed as Igwe Okani, one of Anizoba Kingdom. Oh no, why are you not talking? Good.
My daughter, you're growing so fast.
Exactly. She has grown so fast. My dear, please go to the kitchen. Prepare us a delicious meal for me and my daughter.
May the God bless you, Papa.
Thank you, my daughter.
In that case, let me go in there and prepare a very delicious meal for all of us.
I trust you. I know what you can do.
I'm coming.
Thank you, dear. My baby girl. You see, when we were growing up, the people of Mmumuoma, they were always coming to our place. We were welcoming them.
Adugo, my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
Oh, you're here. Have you taken...
Mom, are you okay?
Yes. How did you do that? Your powers are starting to manifest. But promise me you will not use it outside there.
I promise you, Mama.
Thank you. Come here. So, I was actually calling you because I made your favorite food. I hope you will like it.
Yes, Mama.
Come, let's go and have dinner. Let's go. So you didn't see us, Okwaya? You can't even greet.
Are you deaf? Greet.
I'm sorry, darling.
What God? Come back here! Come and apologize.
apologize to both of us, especially me, Akweke.
Adugo, are you deaf? Apologize.
I'm sorry, darling. Come back here. Where do you think you are going? Where do you think you are going? Just wait.
Please, get a bigger cane.
Oh, yeah, kneel down and apologize. Else, I'm going to flog you. Oh, yeah, apologize. Else, I will going to destroy this your ripe cocoa skin with this cane. Apologize!
That guy very well. She's so stubborn.
Apologize.
Let me get my own cane.
Adugo, I said kneel down and apologize to me. Eh? Ma.
Mmumuoma, 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 marama. Mmumuoma, 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 marama. Chimekwena ka m nwere ike Mmumuoma, ike Mmumuoma wee.
Akweke and Mma, why are you people running?
Otu, you can't just imagine what happened. That strange daughter of Uwodu uses magic power. She even used her magic power on me. I thank the gods that I escaped her.
Are you joking?
No, I saw it with my two eyes. She raised her hands up like this and twisted her Akoke's hand. And she was doing it like this. Needed to see what happened there.
The king must hear this. The king must hear this. Let's go. Let's go. Does she have magic powers?
Oma,
answer me, does she have magic powers?
Yes, I wanted to tell you. What happened?
Don't worry, they will come after her. Eh?
Did you use your powers? Hey!
There's no need for all this. We have to leave now. Eh? Let's go. This way. Don't worry. I will go and bring them. This way, this way. Pass this way. Let's go, let's go. They will come after her. Eh? Let's go, let's go. There's no time for this. This way, this way, this way. Take it easy. Take it easy, easy, easy. Stay here, wait for me. Let me go back and get your bag, okay? Wait for me. Please, take your fire, eh? I'm coming now, okay? the boundary between our village, Umunta, and the neighboring village. You have to go for the safety of your life and that of your daughter. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, Mom.
Did you remember all the leaves I taught you about? So, let me see if you're correct. Go in there and get me that leaf I told you that can cure stubborn head. Be careful. Okay, my daughter. Adugo, my beautiful daughter. That is it, my daughter. If I don't make it, Please. Go back to your kingdom.
Mama, you will make it. Stop.
And it's my kingdom. That is where you come from. Your father is the late King Agumba. And your mother is Wadinume. Your father was murdered by his wicked brother Okani. And your mother, Queen Wadinume, gave birth to you inside the bush while she was running away from Okani, who was to take your life because you have the 3-star of Mmumuoma. Your mother lost a lot of blood while giving birth to you. She was so weak and gave you to me. Made me promise to take care of you till you are of age, my daughter.
You mean you are not my mother?
No, Aduko, my daughter. I am not your real mother. But I love you as my own daughter. Promise me that you will go back to your kingdom and his back kingdom and take over what is rightfully yours.
Mama.
And make sure you pay Okani, pay him back.
Mama.
For what he did.
Mama, please. Stop talking, okay? It's okay. Let me go. Let me go and get help. You'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you. Okay?
Go.
Mama, just hold on for me. I'm coming.
This is the back kingdom.
Mama, stop talking, please. I'm coming.
That is where you go. And it's over. And it's over. Kingdom.
Yes. And this time, the dream was looking so real. I wish I can see her someday in real life. I mean, she's so beautiful.
Look, as a friend, I have to advise you. you have to find a maiden and get married. Okay? You are no longer a child. And you are the only son of your father. You need to get married quick. And stop all this, she's so beautiful, whatever.
Teacher Wambode.
Look, I think you should just go and see a spiritualist because this might be a spirit wife that has been disturbing you all this while.
You know, my biggest mistake was confiding in you in the first place. I mean, you're the wrongest person to talk with. And I'm out of here.
See, the biggest mistake I made, Seth, was sitting down here with you. Imagination won't kill you. Imagination wants to kill you. Normally, eto dike na nke ome, omo ozo. Mana dike baze na eme ka oko.
My son Dike, since you're not ready to marry as the only son, you have to go back to your father and your sister. You are no longer needed here.
Mama, it hasn't gotten to that. Yeah? Okay. I'll marry. I promise. But give me some more time now. Let me look around and get myself a decent girl. Oh?
Ochichakike, Obarobara, Ochichakike, Obarobara, Ifuruka Pasiaga, Ndi Ojo, Zaga Zaga Wuru Zambata, Sekwalu Feze, Ifuruka Pasiaga, Ndi Ojo, Zaga Zaga Wuru Zambata, Sekwalu Feze.
Drop that pot and help us fetch ours. I don't feel like entering water today.
As what? Ekwa? Oh. Because we allowed people into our kingdom, you think you now have the right to order us around?
Do what you're asked to, or
what? You will use your powers on us? You people should better go back to that forest where you belong.
How dare you?
Please, let's get out of
How dare you talk to us in that manner?
Now you! Take this and fetch that water.
Please don't kill me. I'll fetch water for you. Fast!
Be fast about that!
Where is my daughter? Try and be serious. Where is my daughter?
She's dead. Umuchi's daughter has killed her.
Hey!
They killed my friend.
Ochichakike, Obarobara, Ochichakike, Obarobara, Ifuruka Pasiaga, Ndiajo, Zaga Zaga, Zambata.
Oh no, what is the problem? My only daughter. My only daughter that helps me, Igwe. How? Mira me finanya. Wala fifejie. Igwe.
Mazi, we don't have that time. What brings you here?
Oh, my only daughter. Umoji has killed my only daughter. Oh. The evil children you brought into this village has rendered me daughterless. Igwe. Hey! Oh, God, will fancy jet. Oh, to a cancer jet. Oh, no. How dare you call them Umojan evil daughters? Oh, no. Henceforth, you will be fetching water for these girls every day until I say otherwise.
And any day you fail, you will join your stupid daughter.
Guards, take them out. Take them out and take her to the slave yard. Now move. Move!
You would have allowed me to kill him.
No. Your killing is becoming too much. We need people to rule. We can't rule ourselves.
You have a point there. We need more slaves in the palace.
Ochichakike, Obarobara, Ochichakike, Obarobara, Ifuruka Pasiaga, Ndiajo, Zaga Zaga, Zambata, Sekwalu Feze, Ifuruka Pasiaga, Ndiajo, Zaga Zaga, Zambata. Sekwalu Feze, honey, Dimburubi, Liumeju. Oh, what a wicked king! Asim, honey, Dimburubi, Liumeju. Oh, what a wicked queen!
How can an Ono be subjected to this suffering? This is heartbreaking. Gods of our land, come to our aid. Hey! Oh no!
Igwe ọkani, igwe ọjọọ. Njere, nwanyị ọjọọ. Ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nsị na alụ na-eme n'obodo anyị mmadụ agwụgwọkwanụ asị m ọ bụ gịnị butere nke a ọ bụ gịnị na-eme ihe ọkọkọ ọchịchị aka ike ọgbaghara ọbara ọchịchị aka ike ọgbaghara ọbara ịfụrụ ka fasi ya ga.
Hey, you! Stop that. Fool! You're waiting for me to tell you to go down. So you went to the stream to fetch half pot of water for the queen.
My queen, as I was coming, I fell. So the water splashed.
Quiet! Run back to the river and fetch full pot for me, or you face my wrath.
As it pleases, my queen.
Move!
Igwe ọkani, igwe ọjọọ. Njere, nwanyị ọjọọ. Ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nsị na alụ na-eme n'obodo anyị mmadụ agwụgwọkwanụ asị m ọ bụ gịnị butere nke a ọ bụ gịnị na-eme ihe ọkọkọ ọchịchị aka ike
Dike, the great son of his father. You came?
Yes, Papa. As soon as I got your message, you know, grandmother, she insisted I must come and stay with you. Yes. You know, Noche, whenever she wants something.
Nay will never change. So, how is your hunting skill? And besides, Dike, you shouldn't be in this village. This is not the best place for you to be now. Huh?
Father, don't go there. Don't go there, Papa, because your son remains the best hunter in Amizoba Kingdom. Adia Mamaka.
Lest I forget. Dike, what are you waiting for? Huh? Are you waiting for me to join my ancestors before you bring in a woman? Huh?
Papa, just while I thought I have escaped this disturbance from Nne's house, here am I facing the same thing.
No, Dike. I need a grandchild. Please. Biko.
I've heard. No problem. So, how is your hand?
Easy. Easy. The pain is becoming unbearable.
You see, Papa, I will pay that witch a visit. I will pay that witch a visit for doing this to you and taking my sister. I will teach them a lesson they will not forget in a haste. I will devour them. I will tear them apart with my bare hands.
Okay. Don't try it. Because if you do, I must have been dead before you get there. Eh? Those people are not ordinary. They use two stars magic power and not physical like you.
Papa. They are cowards. They are cowards. Shameless people. I mean, what is shame? Eh? Papa, I don't like it. I don't like it when I want to make this kind of move and you stop me. I don't like it.
I understand, my son.
When will Mmumuoma send us someone to liberate us from this bondage? Ekuloma, rise! Rise and deliver your people.
It's okay, my son. Go in and eat and rest.
You still cook, Papa?
Of course I do.
I do. You will never change. I can't wait to see
Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Yezobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma wawo biakene Yezobanyo. Ige kweki kalibu anyo Yezobanyo. Ige kwekanchere busi anyo Yezobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Yezobanyo.
He's so cute. He's handsome. He's my spec. Don't dare. I kill for fun. He's all yours. Greetings. Please love me. No. I won't take this. I will teach him a lesson. And I'll wait for him to come back. He may stay long. Can't you see he's going hunting? I don't care. I'll wait for him. Eh? I won't kill him. I will just teach him a lesson. So next time, he knows that no one dares to ignore my greetings. I don't like that. I don't like it. Like I said, don't worry. Okay. It's just a one. Okay.
Gods of our land, have I not suffered enough? I'm tired. Please, come to the aid of your daughter.
daughter of Mmumuoma, the one favored by Mmumuoma, the spirit of power. You have been chosen by the gods to liberate your kingdom. Go and fear not, for I am with you.
Did I startle you?
Greetings.
Greetings, beautiful one.
You sound as if you know me.
No. What are you doing here?
I am looking for a village called Anizoba.
Anizoba?
Yes, I'm from there.
You are from here?
I'm from Anizoba Kingdom.
Oh, you're in the right place. Come with me.
Ike Mmumuoma Biakene Biazobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma Wawo Biakene Biazobanyo. Ige Kweki Kalibu Anyo Biazobanyo. Ige Kwekanchere Busi Anyo Biazobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma Biakene Biazobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma Wawo Biakene Ige Kweki Kalibu Anyo Biazobanyo. Ige Kwekanchere Busi Anyo Biazobanyo.
We meet again.
Young lady, you're standing on my way.
So, because of her, you ignored my greetings. Are you new here? Or don't you know what I can do?
Must I respond to your greetings? No, must I? After what your evil mother did to my father.
Did you just call my mother evil? Stop! I'll strike you now.
Why should you do that? It's just like that. Make way, let us go.
I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Greetings. Papa, this is Adugo, my friend. Adugo, my father. How are you doing, young lady?
I am fine, thank you.
Please sit. Papa, you need to thank Adugo. She saved my life today from the hands of those devilish daughters of Umoji, gods of our land.
What do you have with them? Have I not warned you to stay away from those people? DK, I don't want to cry over you, just as your sister.
Papa, what happened to his sister?
They killed her. Yes, just because she refused to fetch water for them. And they mandated my father to be fetching water to the palace every day. Just because he complained. And when I decided to take action, Papa stopped me. Oh, lest I forget, you asked for water. Let me get you water to drink, okay?
And that is how I lost my daughter, my hand, and my respect.
This is pathetic. I need to take over my throne and save my people.
What is she saying? What people? And what throne?
I don't know. Who are you? I mean, what are you saying?
Never mind. No. Please. Can I stay with you for a while?
Of course. Yes, you can.
Thank you. May the gods bless you both.
Okay, let me take you inside. But she saved my life. I owe her this.
They can listen to me. They will come for her. And this time, they won't spare us. DK, I am not ready to die because of a maiden.
Papa, nobody's dying. Nobody's dying. Besides, I think I have found myself a wife. You remember that dream girl I tell you about? The lady I tell you I see in my dreams.
I am not interested in that your dream wife. I am not interested. Get me a physical one.
That's the same lady.
Same dream girl?
Yes. I just hope she will accept me if I propose to her.
Greetings, Papa.
Where are you going?
I'm going to fetch water.
No. Today is Mmumuoma, days of fetching water. We are not meant to go there because you may meet your death. Eh? We only have a day in 7 days to fetch. Please, my daughter, do not go. In 2 days, you can go and take your bath.
Papa, there is no single water in this house. May God forbid I go to bed without taking my bath. This is injustice.
I understand, my daughter. But we are helpless here. If you must live or be alive in this community, you must abide by their rules. Because these people kill at ease.
Papa, nobody can kill me.
My daughter, please. Do not go listen to me. Instead, let me go. Yes, let me go.
No, Papa. It is a taboo for an Onowu to fetch water. May God forbid I witness that.
Upon the whole maiden Dike went for, same character, so stubborn. I won her.
Drop that pot. Drop that water back! Why should I do that?
Are you new in this village? No one is allowed in the stream except us.
Yes, you heard her.
Really?
Says who and who gave that law?
The king and the queen. And if you don't comply, I will deal with you.
I see. Your king and queen must be wicked and heartless. I want you to pass a message to them. Tell them that I said that they are imposters. And sooner or later, I will come for them. How dare you! Now listen to me. I want you alive. That is why I just gave you these little lessons. I need you to pass my message to your king and queen. Now leave this place this minute. Leave!
Mmumuoma, 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 marama. Mmumuoma, 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 marama. Chimekwena ka mụ nwere ike Mmumuoma, ike Mmumuoma wee gbuwe nwanne. Olise kwena ka mụ nwere ike Mmumuoma, nwere ike Mmumuoma wee gbuwe nwanne. Oh, mgbuwe nwanne nke m, mgbuwe nwanne m ọ bụ mụ na.
She's the most beautiful. How come I have not seen her in this village? Hey, you! Hey. On a normal, I don't spare those that don't greet. But your beauty have earned you a special treat. So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Adugo.
Oh, goodness me. Adugo. All right. Let me help you with...
Do not come closer to me. Say whatever you want to say from there.
Okay. No one refuses me. Adugo, I need you right now. Like, right now and here.
Seriously?
Yes. Listen, no one says no to me. No one refuses me. You know why? I have the 2 stars of Mmumuoma and the king's only brother. I will marry you, but first, you have to satisfy my urge, like right now.
And what if I say no?
You don't dare.
What is wrong with you?
You want this one?
Do not touch me again.
Okay, you want to see what I will do? You want to see what I will do?
Onwuka. Onwuka, what is wrong with you? Did lion attack you?
No. A strange girl with strange powers attacked me.
She's very fair in complexion.
Exactly.
Same girl that attacked us.
Same strange girl. Who is she? Guards! Go get me that girl here now.
Okay, let's go. Onwuka, sorry. Sorry, Onwuka.
Thank you.
My head melts. Hey, Jerry, go and see after him. Go inside. And you, Joy and you, take over the family.
Why would you have to let her go? I left her in your care. What if something happens?
Should I tie her? Don't you know she's as stubborn as you are? Huh? I try my best, DK.
I'll go and look for her.
If you move an inch, I will hang myself.
Why are you blackmailing me? Why are you blackmailing me?
What has come over you, DK? Are you sure you are with your clear eyes?
You're here.
Yes.
I've been worried.
Why? You don't have to be.
What kept you so long?
Papa had some issues, but I handled it. Let me drop the water.
You hear that? I had some issues. This is what I was talking about.
DK.
I'll be back. Let me fetch more water.
No. You are going nowhere.
Sorry, because I am going.
In that case, I'm going with you.
No one is going anywhere. Young lady, can I ask you? Are you here on a mission to kill my only son?
Papa, no one will kill your son. I will protect him with my life.
I have to protect my way.
DK.
Papa, you followed us?
Yes.
Why?
I couldn't bear it. I do not trust these boys. I do not trust them at all. I have to.
Why should you trust me?
Don't worry, let us go.
Get out of the way, you cowards!
The Igwe asked that we should bring her to the palace. Now.
Can't you see she's fetching water? Can't you see it?
I said it. This is the end of the road. I said it.
If you don't move, we'll move you.
You know what? Let us do it man to man. No weapons, no powers. Agree?
Enough! I said enough! Tell your Igwe that I chose when to see him, not otherwise.
We will do as you wish, man.
Good boys. Now leave.
Oh, yeah, also?
What just happened now? Huh? Are you still going?
Of course.
Look at what just happened now.
Papa, you are safe with me. Do not worry. Dike,
Mother,
you are a strong man.
thank you. Don't press him. Don't push him to his death.
Ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nsị na alụ na-eme n'obodo anyị mmadụ agwụgwọkwanụ a sị m ọ bụ gịnị butere nke a ọ bụ gịnị na-eme ihe ọkọkọ ọchịchị aka ike ọgbara ọbara.
Where is she?
She said she will choose when to come see you and not otherwise, Your Highness.
What? She refused to answer my call. And you fools failed to bundle her to this place.
And you dare come here to give me such stupid message?
Sorry, Your Highness.
Ikuku, my son, what happened?
She says she will decide when to come and see you. Mother, she's powerful.
Quiet! She is nothing. I will kill her and drink her blood. I am Unchere. the greatest of all the witches. No one dares me.
Ọchịchị aka ike ụgbọala ọbara ifuru kapasi aga ndị ọjọọ zagazaga wuruwuru zambata sekwalu feze ifuru kapasi aga ndị obi ọjọọ zagazaga wuruwuru zambata sekwalu feze ha na-eri mkpụrụ obi eri omeju. Oh, what a wicked king! Oh, what a wicked queen!
Let him pause. This is not like him.
That's rapist.
You know him? He has raped almost all the maidens in this kingdom.
Yes. I taught him a lesson of his life. He will dare not try it again.
Greetings.
No, did he greet? Did Omuka greet us? Please tell me, what did you do?
Just a little lesson.
A little lesson?
Let's go.
No. Tell me about this lesson. I'm interested in this lesson.
Ifuru kapasi aga ndị ọjọọ zagazaga wuruwuru zambata sekwalu feze ifuru kapasi aga ndị obi ọjọọ zagazaga wuruwuru zambata.
There's something I want to tell you. You promise me you will not be angry because I might sound stupid.
You're my friend. I won't. Besides, you're not stupid.
Okay. See, I've actually known you before I met you for the first time. I see you in my dreams. And we do communicate in my dreams. You told me you are on a mission. But each time I ask you, what is this mission all about? You will not answer me.
Interesting.
Madam, please, make me part of this, your mission. I want to be part of it because I don't want you to stay away from my eyes. You see,
You're what?
Promise me you won't be angry.
I won't. I won't be angry. Say it.
I love you. I am madly in love with you. Honestly.
Where are you going with pot? Don't tell me you still fetch water for those fools.
My daughter is for safety and our lives.
What is happening?
I think Papa still fetch water for those people. Papa, you can never be subjected to slavery.
I know, my daughter. But these people will come after you and my son, and they will kill both of you. Eh? Why can't you stop this and leave us alone? Eh?
Papa, you don't know who I am.
And who are you?
I am the daughter of Mmumuoma.
The one that bears the 3 stars.
3 stars of Mmumuoma.
Yes, Papa. My name is Aduku, Princess of Anizoba Kingdom. The only daughter of the late king, Agumba. I have come to liberate my people from the shackles of the darkness.
Please don't mention this in your house. Agumba, my friend. The gods are wise. The time has come to liberate and bring back light in Anizoba Kingdom. Or am I dreaming? Could this be true? Papa. I'm lost. Go in and prepare a meal.
Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Biazoba anyị o. Ike Mmumuoma wowo biakene Biazoba anyị o. Ike ekwe ka igwe kalibu anyị o. Biazoba anyị o. Ike ekwe ka nchere gbusi anyị o. Biazoba anyị o. Ike Mmumuoma obiakene.
Greetings, Papa. Igboegwu. Papa. You are dressed already.
Yes, I want to go and check my traps.
That's so thoughtful of you.
Please, may I go with you?
You want to go with me?
Yes.
Okay. We can go together. I'll see you, Papa.
Okay, Papa.
Please do take care of her.
N'obodo akaligo, alụ na-eme n'obodo akaligo, ọnwụ dị n'obodo akaligo. Bịa zọba anyị o. Ọ bụzi onye ka anyị ga-akpọku, ma ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị gị. Ọ bụ onye ka anyị ga-agbakwulu, ma ọ bụrụ na ọ bụghị gị. Ike Mmumuoma wowowo.
I have sent for her severally, but she has refused to answer my calls. She has forgotten that nobody touches the tail of a tiger and goes scot-free.
Strange girl. Same strange girl that attacked my daughters. Come to think of it, Onowu did not fetch water in the palace today.
Has he forgotten that nobody challenges the king in this kingdom?
Igwokani, igwojo. Njere, nwanyị ọjọọ. Ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị o. Nsị na alụ na-eme n'obodo anyị o. Mmadụ agwụgwọkwanụ. Mmadụ agwụgwọkwanụ. Asị m ọ bụ gịnị butere nke a? Ọ bụ gịnị na-eme? Ihe ọkọọkọ. Ọchịchị aka ike. Ọgbaghara ọbara. Ọgbaghara ọbara. Ọchịchị aka ike.
Wait for me here, okay? Let me go and check my traps. I don't want you to move further before you step on them, okay? Now, listen. If you see anybody around here, shout, and I will come.
I know what you can do.
I will take the person off immediately. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All the best.
Oh, what a wicked king. Oh, what a wicked queen.
Daughter of Anizoba, the one favored by the Mmumuoma gods, I greet you.
Greetings.
The time has come for you to liberate your kingdom from the shackles of darkness and take what belongs to you.
I will go. I will do as you said.
Dada, who are you talking to that you didn't even recognize me? You didn't even notice my presence?
Let us go.
Go to where?
It's time.
Time for what?
Mmumuoma, 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 marama. Mmumuoma, 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 Mmumuoma.
You people came so early. Papa, it's Adugo. I mean, she keeps saying things I don't understand. My daughter. Greetings, my daughter. What is the matter?
The time has come to liberate my people from shackles of darkness. So she said, Papa, take me to the palace. I want you to go back.
Why? I want to stand by you in everything you do, Adugo, please.
I know. I know you promised to stand by me anytime. I need to do this alone. Please, go back. Do it for me. Please.
Ike Mmumuoma obiakene Yezobanyo. Ike Mmumuoma wawo biakene Yezobanyo. Ige kwe kiwe kalibu anyo Yezobanyo. Ige kwe kanchere busi anyo Yezobanyo.
Omuka, you are supposed to have a wife by now.
I know, but I have not seen any maiden in this land that will fit my test, you know?
Hold on. Oh no,
What brings you here?
Okani, I came to see you.
How dare you call your king by his name?
You are not my king, but a killer. Renounce your kingship, or I will personally disgrace you. How dare you? How dare you? Guards! Caesar. I am not the one easily to be killed. You killed my father, your own brother. It is time for justice. I am Unchere, the daughter of Mmumuoma, with the 2 stars of Mmumuoma. No one dares me. I am Adugo, daughter of Agumba, the only one with 3 stars of Mmumuoma. This is my kingdom. Flee, or I will throw you out myself.
But you are supposed to be dead.
Unfortunately, I'm alive.
Jerry. I know you can kill her. Yes, if you can kill Edikata, she is noble. Go ahead and kill her!
Enough! You go in there and free all my people under your slave. You, come forward. Disarm them. All of them. Including that one. March all of them, including Okani, out of Anizoba Kingdom. Send them into Umoji's forest, where they belong. Now.
Mgbada agwụgwọkwanụ asị m ọ bụ gịnị butere nke a? Ọ bụ gịnị na-eme ihe ọkọkọ? Ọchịchị aka ike, ọgbara ọbara, ọchịchị aka ike, ọgbara ọbara. Ifuru kapasi aga ndị ọjọọ zaga zaga wuru zambata sekwalu feze ifuru kapasi aga.
Has paid the price with his life to liberate our kingdom from the shackles of darkness.
Papa! Papa! Papa!
Daughter of Mmumuoma. As you can see, the palace is empty. Now, you will have to choose a groom that will rule the kingdom with you. So, who do you choose?
I chose DK.
Nice choice.
Oh no. As a princess of Anisoba Kingdom, tradition demands that whosoever you choose as your husband has automatically become the king. And you know that your father has no heir to his throne. So, who do you choose?
I chose Dike.
Dike.
Son of the late Ono of this land.
Are you sure? Ichi, our princess has chosen Dike, the son of our late Ono. So, we have to let you know. Guard!
Oh no.
Go and fetch Dike now. Tell him he is needed in the palace now.
Yes or no?
Dike! Dike! Greetings. Your presence is being needed in the palace. It's urgent.
Dike, you're welcome. According to our tradition, whosoever our crown princess chooses as her husband has automatically become our king. And she has chosen you as our new king of Anisoba Kingdom. Please, can you step out? Thank you. As you know, you are taller than me. You know. With the power bestowed upon me as the new Onowu of this kingdom, I hereby crown you as our new king of Anisoba Kingdom. A.K. Ori Afo Nkwo. Now, the staff of authority is now given to you as the Agumba II of Anisoba Kingdom.
Igwe. No. No.